peanuts.
For less.
It would be peanuts plus not much. And she thought I was crazy. And ultimately, that cost me the marriage. But I went to work for KDWN. And every minute I was there, Eric, I had my eye, you mentioned the nighttime, I had my eye on the nighttime. Because while 50,000 watts goes out and covers, Las Vegas, which is great, after that, it's just cactus. But, at night, even though slightly directional, KDWN covered 13 states at night. 13 states. So
that would be regarded as a clear channel station, right?
As close as you can get. There really aren't any exact clear channels left, but yes, that's right. And every night at sunset, we would have to throw a couple of switches and go directional. I think we were protecting WGN in Chicago. By the way, Eric, I can't tell you how many nights I came within. I actually had my finger on the button. I worked at KDWN, Eric, for a total of 10 years. I worked late nights. I came to work at about 10 o'clock at night. I would go on the air at 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'd frequently be on the air until 6 o'clock in the morning doing talk radio. And again, in the beginning, it was absolutely political. So I did that for a long time, and really, really, really enjoyed myself and did very well in the ratings. But just for the hams out there, I thought I'd tell you, Eric, there were about 10 or 15 times that I actually went over to the console, put my finger on the switch that would turn us non-directional, because I wanted to see if I could get calls from other parts of the country. I came within just that much of turning that baby non-directional. I can't tell you how many times, but I was in mortal fear of the Federal Communications Commission, and I was sure they would come marching in and chop my head off.